Assalamualaikum. This is Miss Annie Ghazal and I'm from class 7. And here's my model named vacuum cleaner. First of all, I want to tell you that what is vacuum cleaner? An electric operator that by means of suction collect dust particles and other particles from floors or other surfaces. The word vacuum comes from the fact that it uses the force of vacuum to suck dirt into its large chamber, for which it can be dumped into the garbage. Herbert Cecil Both invented vacuum cleaner in 1901. The material required in this model are plastic bottle, battery, motor, fan, plastic bottle, glitter sheets, chart papers and thermocol balls. Let me show you how it works. This is all about my topic.